There has been no planning put into this video in any way. I'm just going to do a quick, rough, raw video basically because I need to unbox this lens because I need it for a review. It's been in this box for 2.5 weeks and I haven't opened it yet. And I also need to test it on a camera that's turning up this week. And I wanted to talk about a couple of things. The first being 25,000 subscribers, which is completely mind-blowing to me. There's 25,000 people out there that subscribe to my channel and watch my videos on a regular basis. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And thank you so much for all the comments, good and bad. I appreciate all of them and all of those personal comments you send me as well. I read every single one of them and I do try and answer every single one of your comments as well. I try to keep up with it every couple of days. Some do slip away, but if I don't answer it, write it again and I will promise I will try to get to that comment. And the other thing is that I worked out with the amount of videos I put up in the last 2.5 years to subscribers, I pick up 169 subscribers per video, which is pretty good. For a small channel here in New Zealand. I'm quite happy with that. Now to a comment that was put on my C70 video. Michael, sorry, I can't remember your name, but he asked if I'm a Cockney Kiwi or West Coastal Kiwi. I guess he means from the West Coast in the UK. No, you got that completely wrong, mate. I'm from a place called Portsmouth, or as we call it, Pompey. Now, my normal accent is a lot stronger than what you guys hear in these videos, and I will talk a lot faster too. Because people do tell me all the time that I talk fast. I don't talk fast in these videos. Back home, when my accent comes back out, I talk really fast. And I have quite a common accent, I would say, because I'm from the south of England. It's a small island called Portsmouth. It's 70-ish miles south of London, was my home for many years. And I worked a lot in London as well. So I may have picked up a little bit of the Cockney as I went along. But my normal accent is a lot stronger than what you guys hear. I dial it down quite a bit because people don't understand me when I talk really fast and I start rambling away. But if you want me to do my videos in my real accent, I could say, let me know down in the comments section. But I don't think any of you would understand me. I definitely don't think you would. Right, now let's get to unboxing this lens because I've been dying to unbox this lens. In this box is a Canon RF cinema lens, but it's a compact zoom. You already know what it is because it's in the title of this video. So this is a Tokina 11-20mm T2.9. So that's roughly in f-stops T2.8. This is an APS-C or Super 35 lens. So it's for a cropped sensor, which is perfect for the Canon C70. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, don't need that. Don't need that. Ooh, that's a pretty box. Oh, and it's heavy too. Right, let's put the knife away so I don't hurt myself. So there you go. That is the Tokina 11-20mm. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a compact zoom, wide angle zoom for EF mount. And this is a cinema lens, so it's T2.9. So this is a review lens. So I will be doing a review on this lens, probably a couple of reviews, but it will be tested on the Canon C70 because the Canon C70 is a Canon RF mount, but I do have RF to EF mount adapters. Yes, it is RF to EF, yes. Okay, let's have a look in the box. What we got? Plastic case. Ooh. I'll look at that in a minute. It comes with a small manual. Wow, that's a heavy lens. So this is a compact cinema zoom. So it is T2.9 and it goes all the way up to T22. And it's a compact zoom. So you've got 11mm to 20mm, which is roughly 16.5 in full frame to 30mm. Doesn't seem like a lot, but for a wide angle, every millimeter counts. Unlike if you had like a 200mm lens and a 202mm lens, it wouldn't make any difference. But on wide angle, it makes a big difference. So there's the front element. Now, this is an 86mm, I believe, front filter thread, and it's a 95 external diameter. So that basically will be for your matte box. So I actually have a matte box to review with this lens. Somebody sent me a matte box to review, so I can actually test it with this lens, which is great. On the back is EF. So this will work with my R5, R6 and C70 with the adapters, which is nice because on the R5, I can crop in. It does have a crop mode. So it will be a Super 35. It will still be 4K and I can use the variable ND adapter, which goes from RF to EF. That's why I went with the EF when they asked me which lens I wanted. So on the side, you have 11mm for the zoom and it goes up to 20mm. but you'll notice that it changed to orange from yellow. Now that is an indication that you can use this on a full frame sensor. So from 16 to 20mm, this will go on a full frame camera, which is great because I will then test that on the R5 in 8K, which I'm using at the moment. The R5 is shooting at the moment, but I will test this lens in 8K. So obviously with a Super 35 sensor, you get the full range of zoom, which is 11mm to 20mm. Now I have been told this could vignette on a wider Super 35 sensor. I'm not sure if that will happen on the C70, but I will be testing this on the C70, so you'll get all my feedback and what I think of the lens on the Canon C70. But straight away, that is a beautiful, solid lens. That is a really nice lens for Tokina. So this came in the top of the box, which is the little screw-in lever, basically. You screw it into one of the holes, and it means you can adjust the zoom when it's on the camera, and it makes it a lot easier. Now, the nice thing is there's holes all the way around this lens, so you can put it in a certain place that's more comfortable for you, which is really nice. So that's actually that's a nice little piece of anodized aluminium there, or aluminum if you're in America. I wonder if you can buy spare ones, because I'm going to lose that. I know I'm going to lose that. So if there's anything you want me to include in my video on a Tokina 11-20mm T2.9 Cinema lens and the Canon C70, because this will be tested on the Canon C70, let me know down in the comment section and I will do my best to include that in my video. So that's it for this video. Just a quick unboxing of the Tokina 11-20mm T2.9 Cinema lens to say thank you to all you guys for subscribing to my channel and coming along on this journey with me. Many more videos coming soon, and they will get better. There'll be more interesting videos coming soon, so keep watching out for those videos. And to Michael, no mate, I'm not from London. I'm from a place called Portsmouth. If you guys want me to talk in my normal accent, let me know down in the comment section, and I may include that sometimes in my videos. As always, thank you so much for watching.